Imagine a device that can effortlessly remove dirt, grime, and contaminants from your most treasured possessions with just the press of a button. The best ultrasonic cleaner is not only a time saver, but also an investment in preserving and maintaining the longevity of your valuable items. In this video, we're diving into the world of ultrasonic cleaners to find out which ones reign supreme as the best in the game. So watch the full video and check the video description for more details. Number 1 is Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner. The Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner is a powerhouse for restoring the shine to your jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, coins, and more. Using ultrasonic technology, it generates 42,000 hertz of sound waves to create millions of microscopic bubbles that dislodge dirt and grime from even the most intricate surfaces. This method ensures a thorough clean without damaging delicate items, making it ideal for valuables. One of its standout features is its environmental friendliness. You can clean your items using just tap water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals that could harm both your valuables and the environment. The cleaner's digital display is user-friendly, offering 5 preset cleaning cycles and an auto shut-off feature for added convenience. The durable 600 ml stainless steel tank can accommodate multiple items at once, making it efficient for batch cleaning. With its ease of use, powerful cleaning capabilities, and eco-friendly operation, the Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner is a top choice for maintaining your cherished possessions in pristine condition. Number 2 is Vevor Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner. The Vevor Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner is designed for those who need a robust cleaning solution for a variety of items. This cleaner boasts a powerful 40,000 Hz ultrasonic frequency, combined with 120 watt of ultrasonic power and 100 watt of heating power. Such specifications ensure that even the toughest grime is removed without causing any damage to your valuables. Equipped with 2 advanced 60-watt transducers, the Vevor cleaner utilizes the latest sandwich piezoelectric transducer structure, which significantly enhances cleaning efficiency. Its 3-liter capacity tank, made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, is durable and spacious enough for items like coins, rings, jewelry, and small mechanical parts. The digital control panel is another highlight, allowing users to set precise cleaning times and temperatures. This level of control ensures optimal cleaning results for a wide range of items. Whether you're cleaning jewelry or more substantial parts, the Vevor Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner provides industrial-level performance in a user-friendly package, making it a reliable choice for both home and professional use. Number 3 is CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner. For industrial-level cleaning, this ultrasonic cleaner stands out with its impressive power and large capacity. This cleaner uses 360 watt of ultrasonic power to generate cavitation bubbles, which thoroughly clean even the most intricate surfaces. The 15-liter basin can handle larger items or multiple smaller ones, making it ideal for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. This cleaner's versatility is noteworthy, capable of removing rust, tarnish, and other stubborn contaminants from automotive parts, tools, jewelry, and more. Its 400-watt heating capability further enhances its cleaning power, ensuring even the most stubborn grime is effectively removed. Operating the CREWORKS cleaner is straightforward. Fill the tank with water and a suitable cleanser, set the temperature and timer on the digital control panel, and let the ultrasonic cavitation work its magic. Constructed with high-quality stainless steel, it features non-skid rubber feet and inset handles for stability and portability. Number 4 is Wishluck Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. The Wishluck Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is a versatile and stylish device that goes beyond just cleaning. It features a 500 ml stainless steel tank and utilizes 48K Hz ultrasonic technology to create super bubbles that thoroughly clean jewelry and other items. This ensures a 360-degree clean, reaching all the nooks and crannies without leaving any spots behind. What sets the Wishluck cleaner apart is its multifunctionality. It not only cleans but also serves as a night lamp, alarm clock, and thermometer, making it a useful addition to any room. The 6.6-inch LED display is easy to read and offers 7 different color modes and 3 brightness levels, adding a touch of ambient. Additionally, this cleaner includes 4 UV lights that automatically activate for 5 minutes after each cleaning cycle, providing extra sanitization. Its chic design, combined with practical features, makes it more than just a cleaning device. It's a functional piece of home decor, ideal for those who value both efficiency and aesthetics. The Wishluck Ultrasonic Cleaner is a smart and stylish solution for keeping your valuables pristine. Number 5 is an Aocktobar Jewelry Cleaner Ultrasonic Machine. The Aocktobar Jewelry Cleaner Ultrasonic Machine offers a comprehensive solution for deep and thorough cleaning. It emits 47 kHz ultrasonic energy waves, creating millions of tiny bubbles that penetrate even the toughest spots, ensuring a 360-degree clean without damaging delicate items. This makes it perfect for jewelry, glasses, personal care items, and small household objects. This cleaner features 5 preset cleaning cycles, allowing you to select the appropriate setting based on the item's nature. The touch control system adds to the ease of use, making the cleaning process straightforward and hassle-free. A standout feature is the advanced degassing mode, which removes dissolved gases and prevents oxidation, ensuring the highest cleaning performance. The 20-ounce capacity US 304 stainless steel tank, combined with a visualization window, allows you to monitor the cleaning process in real time. Whether you're cleaning intricate jewelry or everyday items, the Aocktobar Jewelry Cleaner offers powerful cleaning performance with advanced features, making it an excellent choice for meticulous and effective cleaning.